Tu la dep pas gros. Allez, viens.
I'm just in train station heading to London today, which has been a minute. Can't say I've missed it very much, but excited to see my friends and to get this week's Dare Laura 2 done. We're going on an adventure. Got the pack. We out here. Hello. I'm here at Tommy's house. Hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
Lovely, healthy dinner. London, we're back. A nice and early wake up. Tommy slept in a hammock so I could sleep in his bed. Great friend, what a bloke. We're going to a little event, going to get some breakfast. And then I'm going to get my hair dyed, which is going to be nice, so I don't have to wear my hat all the time. And that's it, really. A day in London. Living it, loving it.
Produce the serotonin, which then produces tryptophan.
Fitter than ever. Take the stairs. You got a head start. Tastes like winning. Here, new hair. Who this? Yeah, Mason's baby. 4:30 a.m.
Lost.
Huh?
Oh,
Oh, that's so lit.
let's go. Whenever you want a car to start.
See that, Jen?
Oh my god.
That's the ocean over there.
That is the ocean.
We're home, sweetheart.
Honey, I'm home.
Well, we've made it to Durdledore. For those of you that didn't know that such beautiful places existed in the UK, eh, Tommy?
Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah.
Terrific.
So, today's Dare Laura 2, obviously. We're going to try and push the boundaries. It's a little bit windy. I've been promised better weather than this, but I'll take what I can get.
What was the dare? What was the dare?
We don't have a dare yet.
You can swim through this.
Yeah. So Tommy thinks we're going to swim through here and around this big rock, and then where?
Back to the beach.
What, just round the whole thing? And you reckon that's what, a mile and a half?
500 metres.
Tommy's actually the reason that Dare Laura 2 started.
Really?
Yeah. He inspires me all the time. Oh, is that them? Is that a bigger boat? No, it's still the same rock that's been there the whole time. We're doing it in swimsuit. Obviously, it's absolutely freezing. We've got some fins, which he thinks is going to make a massive difference. Tommy's got his little tighty whities on.
Oh wait, they're his legs.
Oh god!
Biggest fucking drag through this thing. Ugh, not now. It does feel like summer in Norway. Fucking up.
We did it! That was so sick. Oh my god, I'm freezing. But I've also got, I don't know what this is. Look, my legs are like this blue. I don't know how long it took us. I think probably like 10 minutes. But just getting through the actual hole like was the hardest part because the swell was just like pulling us through. But we did it! Didn't we, Jess?
It's cold, but she's okay.
Yes. Well done, Tom.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
We're on our way home. We're a bit tired.